Stirweld is happy to announce its partnership with the Asian market, with Akume Seiki and National Chung University. Let's discover together friction stir welding by Stirweld, France. The clamping operation has an impact on your weld quality and production rate. The clamping tool is designed according to the geometry, number of clamps, clamping force, tool wear, and tool path. Parameters for friction stir welding are set directly from the tool machine. The tool is rotated and dips vertically into the material. After the temperature stabilization phase, the tool moves along the wet seam. The speed is constant and depends on the thickness of the components. At the end of the weld, the tool rises vertically, leaving a hole. It shouldn't be seen as a defect, and many solutions exist to solve this. There are a lot of advantages of friction stir welding. It allows welding of all aluminum alloys. It gives high mechanical resistance. Weld seams are watertight, airtight, and acid resistant. Stirweld friction stir welding is now accessible. Visit us at www.stirweld.com.